I decided it was time to raise some chickens, and with all the care that goes into raising chickens, the thing that I'm most thankful for is this amazing double-sided Coop heater from CMOSAF. Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this heater is easy to operate, lightweight, and safe for my baby chicks. I love that it's double-sided, and there are different ways to place this in your coop. You can hang it or easily connect the 360 rotation stands. This was absolutely perfect for the first night that I brought my chicks home. They were still in a box, and I could easily adjust the temperature and set it right on top of the box, and they were warm all night. When I was ready to put them in the coop, I simply attached the stands and I was able to place it in the middle of the coop so that they had heat on both sides. I also love that it comes with a remote control, so I didn't even have to open the coop to set it or adjust the temperature. I also really like how long the electrical cord is, and that it's made with an anti-pecking material because I have learned that baby chicks are a lot like toddlers, and these little monsters make a mess of everything. I absolutely love this heater. It has exceeded my expectations, and I'm sure that you're going to love it too. And that's my point of view.